You put in just one line, and suddenly you're in ancient ruins. Now you're in Kyoto. Now in neon cyberpunk city. Now the jungle, surrounded by monkeys. That is Nano Banana, Google's free AI editor that creators are calling the Photoshop killer. In this video, I'll show you 10 real-world workflows that replace expensive tools. One of them solves the single biggest frustration in AI editing, something even Photoshop still can't do. Hit subscribe if you love cutting-edge AI workflows. The example you just saw is Nano Banana's background swap. It doesn't just paste you onto a new scene, it rebuilds the lighting and shadows so it actually looks real. For creators, this means you can storyboard travel content or set entire scenes for a year in a single afternoon. And if it can change the world around you this fast, what about the clothes you're wearing in it? Forget shopping sprees. Your closet just became infinite. Fashion creators can spin up lookbooks in minutes. The trick is to be specific. Instead of just saying dress, say long-sleeve silk red dress or distressed denim jacket. That's how you get photorealistic textures instead of AI guesswork. You could build an entire fashion catalog from your couch. And if AI can generate outfits this easily, imagine the ads you could create for them. This simple coffee mug now looks like a high-end lifestyle ad. For freelancers and small businesses, that's huge. With just one product photo, you can generate dozens of polished ad-ready variations in seconds. Add photorealistic product shot, studio lighting to your prompt for the most realistic results. And once you've got the perfect shot, you can even format it with space for your headline or text. Stop paying designers just to leave space for your headline. The AI can do it for you. Just say, leave empty space on the right for text. Nano Banana understands composition. That makes designing ads faster than ever, even if you don't have a creative team. So it can design ads like a pro, but can it fix messy photos too? Finally, you can delete your ex from that vacation photo. No Photoshop required. From cleaning up clutter to getting tourist-free travel shots, object removal is stupid fast. Add with seamless background fill for the cleanest results. It's your personal cleanup crew. And if it can remove distractions, it can also completely redesign your space. Interior designers, maybe skip this part. Airbnb hosts can test styles. Realtors can stage homes instantly. Add wide-angle, natural lighting for that pro look. Forget static mood boards. This is interactive redesign in seconds. But it's not just whole spaces you can redesign. Sometimes it's the smallest details that go viral. I told it to cartoon only my ramen noodles. The internet lost its mind. Partial edits are viral gold. Just say, apply cartoon style only to noodles. Nano Banana isolates perfectly. Be small, weird twists break reality, and break the scroll. And if it can bend reality this precisely, imagine what it can do to artistic styles. Van Gogh and Banksy just collaborated on my sneakers. Style transfer applies any aesthetic instantly. Just say in the style of. Perfect for creators who want to stand out with a unique visual brand. But if you thought that was impressive, this next one gets emotional. I tested this on an old photo I found online. The result after restoration genuinely gave me chills. Add preserve original color tone so it doesn't over-edit. This feature doesn't just restore photos, it revives memories. And just like it preserves faces from the past, it finally solves the future of consistent characters. This is AI's #1 problem, and Nano Banana just murdered it. With other tools, you can't get the same face twice. Nano Banana locks in a reference so your characters stay consistent across every scene. This is why creators call it the Photoshop killer. So let's recap. In just minutes, Nano Banana can swap backgrounds like a virtual world tour, give you an infinite closet of outfits, transform simple products into stunning ad visuals, frame photos ad-ready with space for text, clean up distractions in seconds, redesign interiors in any style, break reality with quirky partial edits, apply any artistic style instantly, restore old photos and revive memories, keep characters consistent across every edit. So there you have it, 10 real-world workflows, all solved inside Nano Banana. We didn't just see powerful edits, we saw them happen in seconds. If you're new, check out my full Nano Banana tutorial video right here. And don't forget to subscribe. I share new AI workflows every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.